what's up and welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to replace your screen on your Samsung Galaxy A03S smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Okay, that's our phone, or Samsung Galaxy A03S. And let's see how to open it and repair it. First, we are going to eject the SIM card tray. And then we try to make a gap between the back frame, the back cover and the middle frame. You see, I made a small gap here with my fingernails, and then I'm going with this plastic tool and going around to make it separate from the middle frame. Maybe you will have some issues, maybe in some corners, so just be careful, don't break anything. Now you can carefully pull up it, but just be careful, don't damage the cable connected to the side button, as this is your side button and your fingerprint. Then let's go and remove all the screws here. I will speed up the video a little bit. Now carefully lift up the plastic here. First disconnect the battery, and then all other flex cables. After we disconnected the fingerprint reader and remove the back cover, now we are going to remove this LCD and bottom connector. Sorry, we're not going to remove them, we're just going to disconnect them. And now I'm going to take a heat gun and I will remove the screen, as we will only replace the LCD screen with a touch and without the frame, in this case. So I'm heating up the screen for easily removing. I'm using around 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, and I'm heating it up maybe for between 2 and 3 minutes. I'm going to speed up a little bit the video again. Now I'm going to take a pry tool, some metal tool here, to disassemble the glass, to disassemble the screen from the frame. Please use protective glasses, goggles, so you don't get any stuff in your eye. Depends how your screen is cracked, you will need some tools to remove the glass. I will use here, in case, a small screwdriver, maybe some plastic cards, and this metal plate here, which you see, which is really thin, and to easily remove it. The best thing is you clean first in one corner, and then you can lift up the screen for a bit, and then you go under the screen, under the complete screen, with some plastic tool, and then you just cut around the glue. I have to say that this glue is pretty strong, so yeah. Okay, so our screen is almost removed. Now I'm going to cut here this flex cable. It's already damaged from the old screen. I don't need it anymore, so just cut it and remove the screen so you can work more precisely. To remove this flex cable, I will remove the bottom back cover here, the bottom plastic cover, which covers the small motherboard. Now gently lift up the cover here, this plastic protector. And now you can remove this flex cable without any issues here. Okay? As you see, it's also connected here, so disconnect it from this part. There you go. Now you will have to clean all the cracked glass inside the frame. So because we choose to replace only the screen without the frame, in this case we need to clean it up so we can later stick in the new glass with the screen. I will speed up this video a little bit, but you know that you have to clean everything around. You can also use a knife, but just be careful you don't damage the plastic, don't cut your finger, and always wear protective goggles. I'm cleaning also with a toothbrush and going now with a screwdriver around all the corner to remove the old glue. Okay, this is our new genuine screen from Samsung. It comes without frame and looks like new. So this is the mesh, the protection for the ear speaker. We will just transfer this from the old screen to the new one. Or better, let's say, we will remove it here and put it in the frame and later stick the new screen over it. as you see here, we will just put it in the right place here. Now you gently remove the sticker under the flex cable, and then we will stick the flex cable over it. Now also remove the protection here on the flex cable itself. You can use some tweezers if it's easier for you. Once you have removed the sticker, then just pull it up, not too much, don't break the cable, and stick it to the back panel of the screen. Also remove the protective foil for the front camera. And let's check if it's fitting correctly inside the frame, if everything is alright, before gluing it in the frame. What I will do now is I will just remove this antenna cable here, so I can fit in the flex cable easier. Okay, now let's take the glue and let's fill the frame with some glue. You can use T9000, T7000, T8000 or whichever glue you prefer. I have put also the link for buying this glue in the video description, so have a look if you need any parts or tools. If you have put too much glue somewhere, I will just correct this with small screwdriver and just clean it. So now insert the flex cable here. There are two flex cables which needs to be inserted. So be sure they are both going through. Gently press the screen inside the frame, and I'm using here the clips for holding the screen in the frame for, let's say, at least 3 to 4 hours. There we go, give it a rest now, and come back later. Okay, so now you can remove the clips here after 3 or 4 hours, or maybe 1 day, depends how much time do you have for the repair, but I suggest you at least after 4 hours. And now we will proceed with the assembling phone. Firstly, I'm going to connect this bottom flex cable here on the motherboard, on the small bottom motherboard. And then the top flex cables both together. Make sure they are fitted correctly. Now let's reconnect the antenna cable here. Also connect it here at the bottom and put the cable back in the hole. Then we will take back the bottom speaker. Let's check if everything is alright, and then use the screws and screw it to the frame. Okay, so first let's connect back the battery here. And then you are going to connect the side button and the fingerprint reader here. Now we will assemble the plastic frame, but first let's dust off the dust from the camera lenses. Just clean it here. If you need the duster, I have provided the link in the video description. And we put the camera frame here back in place. And again, it's screwing time. I'm connecting here the power cable to see if the screen is going on. Everything seems to be alright. Okay, so let's attach back the battery cover or the back plate. Click it everywhere around so you will hear the click sound, then you know it's properly attached. Now I'm going to put back the SIM card tray. This was actually our last step. Let's turn it on. Yeah, our battery is empty, so let's charge it. But this is it. This was our last step and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.